Hey guys, hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to target your Instagram followers using Facebook ads and Instagram ads. Guys, it's a brand new feature that Meta has come out with, and I'll be showing you step by step how to set it up. Another thing, guys, is that with this feature, Meta is still coming out with it's still rolling it out. They're still rolling it out. So if it's not in your ad account yet, please keep checking. Meta right now is doing a whole load of updates. And guys, as they're happening, I'm going to be sharing them with you guys. So guys, let's not waste no time. I'm gonna show you guys how to target your Instagram followers. Let's go. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can target your Instagram followers using Facebook ads and Instagram ads. And I'll show you guys, this is a completely new feature. Facebook are still rolling this out. They're still rolling it out. So if you don't see it in your ad account and you're like, oh, what's he talking about? Oh, don't worry, Facebook is still rolling it out. But in a lot of my ad accounts that I'm currently managing, I've been seeing that feature available, right? So guys, I'm going to show you how you can do it. And also, I'm just creating this video so that when you do get the feature, for some of you that haven't got it yet, when you do get the feature, then you can pretty much use it straight away. So you have that knowledge here to help you. So this is how you do it. So this is the Facebook Ads Manager. Then right here on the left-hand side, you just click All Tools and then click Audiences. Because the audience, targeting people that follow us on Instagram, that's a custom audience. That's a custom audience, right? So we want to always go through selecting the audience tab right there. Then once you get there, you just click this option right here, create audience, and then click custom audience, custom audience. Then once you've selected that, all you got to do is go to Instagram account right here. Then once you've selected Instagram account, then you click next. Now, when you click next, this pop-up is going to show. And then guys, look, you just click this events tab right here. Then look, guys, look, people who started following this professional account. It includes people who started following this Instagram professional account. People who unfollow your Instagram professional account will be removed. That's the caveat here, guys. Even though you can target people that follow your Instagram account, just know that if they unfollow you, you can't target them anymore because they're no longer in that custom audience anymore. But people who follow you, you can target them, right? So that's something to bear in mind, right? Whereas with these other events, it doesn't matter if they follow you or not. They could have just come and seen your Instagram page and they'll still see your ads. But this specifically is for people that actually follow you. This is a very valuable audience because these are the people that are another level above from warm. They know, like, and trust you, but maybe they haven't reached that point or they're not ready to buy yet. Maybe the price, or they're waiting for an offer, or they're waiting for a promotion, or maybe the product that they want, you don't have it yet, or the product that they want is out of stock and they're waiting for you to get it back in stock. There's so many reasons why people follow you, but yet haven't bought from you yet. But this is a very valuable audience. So you basically select this, then you name the audience, IG followers, And then once you do that, you basically click create audience and your audience will be created. Now, once you create that audience, once that audience is created, you can now go into the custom audience section of when you're building out your Facebook and IG ads. You just basically put that audience into there. Once you do that, you can now target them with Facebook ads and Instagram ads. Yeah. So guys, that is how you do it. That is how you target your Instagram followers. Guys, like I'm super excited for the more people that use this, because this is a great feature. This is awesome. And this audience are not even just warm, they're pretty hot. They just they just aren't ready to buy yet, and they're probably just waiting for the right offer. Right? So guys, if you want to learn more in-depth stuff like TikTok ads, Facebook ads, IG ads, more in-depth, where I show you the structures and stuff like that, then click the link in my description to check out my skills share course. Guys, it's completely free. You can check it out if you want to get some further learning and some further teaching as well for your marketing. And as usual, I'll be coming back with more marketing tips and tricks to help you guys. Take care.